What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here bringing you another in-depth video. Today I'll be talking about the top 5 best email marketing services. Now I'm going to categorize these email marketing services into different areas, like the best for e-commerce, the best for consulting or service-based businesses, the best all around, the best for marketing communication, etc., etc. So you know where to go if you have a specific use case. Now the links for all the tools are down below in the description, so make sure you check that out. A lot of them have free trials and discounts associated with them, so make sure you don't miss out on those. And a friendly reminder to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Now let's dive into the 5 best email marketing services for this year and beyond. Now the first one on the list is called ActiveCampaign. Now this is my favorite email marketing service by far. It's the best all-around service. It works good for e-commerce, works good for sales teams, works good for client-based businesses, etc. It has really powerful automations and boasts 100,000 customers and $100 million in annual recurring revenue. If that doesn't say something about the quality of the platform, then I don't know what does. Some of the features include, of course, email marketing. Then you have email automation, very robust email automation, tagging, segmenting, landing pages, customer experience automation, machine learning, a live chat widget on your website, a built-in CRM to really communicate with your customers, both email and web personalization, conditional logic, branching automations, a whole bunch of automation triggers, management of short message service, SMS or text messages, a large collection of integrations with a bunch of different tools like analytics tools, list building pop-up tools like Kylie's, for example, shameless plug, Facebook ads integration, split testing emails, and so many other features. This, in my humble opinion, is the most complete email marketing service on the market. In addition to that, you can get started for as low as $9 a month for 500 contacts. There's no other tool that offers so much for so little. Then there's a customer support is really responsive, although I don't use it very much because I've been using ActiveCampaign for years and I pretty much know my way around the platform. It's only when there's a new feature I want to try out, I may reach out to customer support. So again, ActiveCampaign is the best overall pick for email marketing service. You basically can't go wrong with this tool. After that, we have GetResponse. Now this one is what I would consider the best for multi-channel marketing because they have so many unique features built right into the platform and they integrate seamlessly in a way that allows you to build entire funnels right from GetResponse. They got landing pages, they got webinars, they got funnels, they got Facebook ads integration directly with the platform, funnel visualizations, so much going on for GetResponse. And this is from a tool that started as a simple date-based autoresponder. I used it a couple years ago, and once I discovered ActiveCampaign, I crossed carpet, and they already had automations before GetResponse later introduced it. And then the price point was a bit different at the time, and I was very price sensitive all those years ago. Not so much now, but hey. So of course you have email marketing, automation, then you have opt-in forms, landing pages, transactional emails, and payment processing. You can actually create products within GetResponse and then collect payments within integration with Stripe or PayPal or Square. Paid ad integration, webinars, social media post creation, and overall sales funnel management. Now, for the automation features, one of the things I dislike about GetResponse is that although automation is pretty cool and it's pretty robust, it can use some improvements in tagging and conditional logic. Now, this is from someone who's coming from ActiveCampaign that does it pretty seamlessly. So GetResponse is lagging behind ActiveCampaign in that regard. But of course, ActiveCampaign doesn't have like webinars and full funnel visualization. So, I mean, there are trade-offs between every platform. And so pricing for GetResponse starts at $10.50, but that's with a 2-year contract. But if you choose a monthly contract, then that's $15 a month to get started with 1,000 contacts. So it's still affordable, just a bit more expensive to get started than ActiveCampaign. The next email marketing service on our list is called Omnisend. Now this tool is really great for e-commerce marketing. In short, it is the gold standard when it comes to e-commerce email marketing. One of the things that stands out about Omnisend is its deep integrations with the popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, etc. So these deep integrations allow you to pull in your data from your store and use it directly in your email marketing. They even have something called a product picker, so you can drag and drop products from your store right into your email. This speeds up the time for, building really cool campaigns, really effective campaigns considerably. And then it has strong cart abandonment features. It has something called Campaign Booster that resends emails to the people that didn't open them the first time, which can increase your opens by up to 30% with a related increase in revenue. You have discount codes, segmentation, tagging, multi-channel retargeting based on your email list and how they've interacted with that. So it's behavioral tracking. Of course, it has site tracking through those deep integrations with e-commerce tools. Then you have pop-ups, you have A/B testing, and you have advanced reporting features, which is indispensable when it comes to e-commerce when sometimes your margins are razor thin. Now, one con is that since it's so focused on e-commerce, there's a limited selection of templates when you compare it to other email marketing platforms like ActiveCampaign or GetResponse that caters to a large number of different industries. But those templates are really optimized for e-commerce marketing, e-commerce email marketing, and are designed to boost your conversions. Omnisend does have a free plan, and then you can get started for as little as $16 a month. Now, the next one on our list is called SendInBlue. Now, SendInBlue is an email marketing tool and a CRM, and it's really designed for service-based businesses, and the features reflect that. On the email front, it has an email campaign builder, some basic email automation, nothing like GetResponse or even ActiveCampaign, but it lets you get the job done, especially in a service-based business when automation may not be your go-to, but you want to open that door for a human touch. So automation can get you to that point. It has a team inbox, a CRM, live chat, SMS marketing, transactional email marketing, sign-up pages, landing pages, and Facebook ads management done directly from the back end through an integration. What I dislike about SendInBlue and what they're trying to improve on is that they have so many features that some of them kind of go neglected. They seem to be shipped without being fully designed, fully developed, and that can be detrimental to the end user. Like there was a time when the chat widget wasn't working properly on a large number of websites, but as I said, they're trying to work through those issues. So SendInBlue has a free plan to get started, and it costs $25 a month for up to 10,000 emails. And you're not charged by the contact, you're charged by the number of emails that you send. Now, the last tool on our list is called Moosend, and I consider this the best tool for beginners. And that's because it has a simple interface with simple features. It's trying to be the all-in-one marketing tool, something like GetResponse, or compete directly with ActiveCampaign, but it's simply not there yet. It has a long way to go. So because of that, it has a pretty simple interface and a limited number of features. Like, for example, they have pop-up forms and landing pages, which are useful, which are effective, but they're just not at that point that GetResponse or ActiveCampaign or even Omnisend is at. Don't get me wrong, it's a strong tool, especially if you're a beginner, but for veteran email marketers, you might want to give this one a pass. So of course you can build email newsletters, you can run some limited automation, create pop-ups, sign-up forms, landing pages, access templates for different industries, and then they have e-commerce recommendations to help you optimize your e-commerce product sales. And you have segmentation, website visitor tracking, and split testing emails. Now, Moosend is on the way up. It's an up-and-comer, and because of that, that's why I recommend it for beginners, because as the platform evolves, you'll be evolving with your email marketing strategies and your expertise, so it basically can grow with you. But if you need advanced features right off the bat, then definitely go with ActiveCampaign. So those are my picks for the best email marketing services this year and in the future. The links are down in the description, so make sure you check those out. Again, ActiveCampaign is my number one pick. It has so many features, advanced and beginner friendly alike, and it's incredibly cheap to get started. Just $9 a month for its lowest plan. Of course, it doesn't come with all the features, but it comes with more than enough for you to start generating revenue from email marketing and then invest in a larger plan. If ActiveCampaign is too much for you and you're a beginner, Moosend is a good choice. If you're in e-commerce, make sure you check out Omnisend. If you want to do everything from a single backend like webinars, pop-ups, landing pages, sales funnel management, collecting payments, then GetResponse is the tool that you need to check out. All of them are great tools and you won't go wrong with any of them. That's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out the links down below in the description and I will see you in the next one. Daniel out.